Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisha Homi and I create healthy and nutrient dense recipes for weight loss and weight management. Millets are nutritionally superior to wheat and rice because of their high levels of protein with more balanced amino acid profile, fiber and minerals such as iron, zinc and phosphorus. So today I'm sharing how millets was used to make soft spongy idlis and crispy dosas traditionally in India. Millets can also help to tackle health issues like obesity, lifestyle problems and diabetes. As they have a low glycemic index, they are gluten free and are high in dietary fiber and antioxidants. The government has renamed jawar, bajra, ragi and other millets as nutri cereals, and the United Nations has accepted India's proposal of declaring 2019 as International Year of Millets as one of its agenda items in the next session. If it happens, millets may get global recognition and promotion. Millets helps in weight loss and weight management. Millets are a powerhouse of nutrients, and recent research findings shows that millets contain anti-diabetic properties. To popularize the consumption of these nutritious cereals, the government has already decided to include millets in the public distribution system with the objective of improving nutritional security of the country. Millets are inexpensive and easily available across the country. And I'm always looking for ways to include millets in my family's diet, and along with me, you should too. So today I'm sharing a traditional and healthy millet dosa batter recipe with which you can make crispy dosas, soft idlis, and also make kid-friendly restaurant-style recipes like cheese dosa, paneer dosa, etc. And the best part is it is totally healthy and kids will never even guess there is millet in the dosa or idli batter. Super healthy and tasty for your kids and for the whole family. I will be sharing other kid-friendly healthy dosa recipes in the next couple of days. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get started with the recipe. The millet I am using in this recipe is known as Chama ari in Malayalam, also known as samai ari, and in English it is known as little millet. And yes, this recipe is also a great meal option for those with diabetes and PCOS, and also for those trying to lose their weight. I have already shared an instant chama dosha recipe and also mentioned the health benefits of chama rice. I will leave the link in the description box below just in case you wanted to know more about the health benefits of chama rice and also to know how millets help in a healthy diet for weight loss and for diabetes. Little millet is a rich source of B vitamins, minerals like calcium, iron, zinc and potassium among others. Its high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, and it's a great substitute to rice, especially if you're trying to reduce rice in your diet. Today I'm sharing how to make this millet dosa batter in the mixie, and you don't have to soak the ingredients separately. I'm using 125 ml measuring cup to measure the ingredients. Into a bowl or a container, I'm adding in 2 cups of little millet, also known as chama rice. Add in 2 tablespoons ordinary white rice. I personally prefer to use single polished white rice, and if you are a regular on my channel then you may have noticed that I usually use single polished white rice in my recipes. But since many of you don't have access to single polished rice and has requested to share healthy recipes with white rice, I am using white rice. Plus the little amount of rice will also help in the fermentation process. Now fermented foods are a good source of vitamin B12 which plays a crucial role in iron absorption. Do watch my previous healthy dosa batter recipe to understand more. Add in 1 cup plain urad dal, Now you can use black urad dal if you prefer, but I stick to plain since many of you has difficulty in sourcing black urad dal. Plus the dosha batter will be white in color and fussy kids will not feel any difference. Add in 3 tablespoons methi seeds, add in water and lightly rinse and wash it a couple of times or until the water is almost clear. Let it soak for about 2 hours. Now, if you're a working woman, you can do this process in the morning before you leave for work. Okay, once the millet and dal are soaked, rinse it once more and transfer to the blender jar of your mixie. I'm using a high-speed mixie which has 1300 watt. Add in 1 handful of cooked rice. This will also help in easy fermentation. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in 1 cup water. Now, the water should be just above the rice. Now grind it to a smooth batter. Pour this into a slightly large container and cover it with a lid. Do not use an airtight lid as we need the airborne wild yeast for fermentation. Keep this to ferment overnight or for about 8 to 9 hours. And the next day morning the batter has risen well and it is nicely fermented. Perfect to make soft idlis and crispy dosas. I personally prefer to make idlis on the first day, and since this batter can be kept in the fridge, I make doshas and uttappams from the second day onwards. Now to make idli, simply pour the batter into the idli molds and steam, and you get super healthy millet idli. To make crispy dosha, spread on a tawa and drizzle desi ghee. And enjoy them with curry leaves chutney or with sambar. The recipe link for curry leaves chutney will be updated in the description box below this video. So guys, do try this healthy dosha batter recipe and nourish your family's health with this traditional millet recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.